Hello and welcome to math lesson number 15. So first of all, guys, can we all turn to wave and say hello to our friends on camera? Hello. And now we'll begin with our meditation sequence. So find a nice place to sit, keep a straight back, 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, and close our eyes. You should be able to feel your heart beating with your 2 fingers on your heart center. And just concentrate on your breathing in and breathing out. Last few breaths now. So let's make them nice and steady, deep breaths. And then slowly open your eyes and come back to the room. Okay, everybody feel good? Okay, and next we'll do our stretching sequence. So everybody stands up and push our chairs inside. So first of all, we'll give our hands a shake. Shake our hands. Shake our hands. Ned, shake our hands. And then shake our arms. Swing our arms. Swing our arms from side to side. Stop. And this time, let's go backwards and forwards. Stop. Backwards and forwards. Stop. Hands on hips. Give ourselves a wiggle. Stop. Give ourselves another wiggle. Stop. One final wiggle. Stop. And to finish, we'll go down into a little ball. And we'll count from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump. Hey. Okay, guys, please sit down. So, math lesson number 15. Does anybody remember math lesson 14? What did we do in our last math lesson? Regrouping was the lesson before, but we still use regrouping, so that was very good. We put words together. Does anybody remember what word we use when we add words together? Addition. A, D, D, I, Addition. Okay, and remember the last lesson, did we use numbers or did we use words? Remember, we learned how to use words to do math problems. So it was, how do we spell word? W-O-R-D. And then problems, P-R-O-B-L-E-M-S. Word problems with addition. Okay, so now Teacher Wes will do another word problem with addition for the students to guess. Are you ready? Ready. Okay. So let's rub out the title because we know that. Yesterday, Teacher Wes went to the... Where did I go yesterday? I went to the zoo. I didn't really. This is just for our math problem. So yesterday, Teacher Wes went to the zoo. He saw 647 elephants. $521 zebras and 1,204 lions. How many animals did Teacher Wes see? Okay, but before you work it out, can we all speak together the question? Ready? Yesterday, Teacher Wes went to the zoo. He saw 647 elephants, 521 zebras, and 1,204 lions. How many animals did Teacher Wes see? So what do we need to do? We need to add together this number, and do we add this number too? Okay, so let's see who can get it.
2,372.
How many?
2,372.
Okay, who would like to come? Okay, Prel, Lakal, come to the board. What I want you to do is use regrouping to add the numbers together.
Thank you.
Okay, so let me find you a space on the board. We'll remove this now. Okay? So 1,204 plus 647 plus 521. We add three numbers together to see how many animals I saw at the zoo. Okay, can you stand to the side? How many animals did Teacher Wes see at the zoo? 2,372. Excellent. Rounds of applause for Prel and Lakdal. And can I get high five? High 10? High 10? Okay. So you see, that is how we add words together using addition. And even better, we also seen how to work it out using regrouping. So now we have a class activity. You need to divide your students into teams of 3 or 4, depending on the number of students. For my class, it will be teams of 3. And what you need to do is give each team of students one piece of paper. What they need to do is spend the next 10 minutes writing out their own math word problem. And make sure each team, the problem has to have 3 different numbers. It can be about anything. They can make it up themselves. But it has to be a math problem with 3 different numbers. Okay? So team 1, 1, 2, 3. Here is your paper. Team 2, 1, 2, 3. Here is your paper. Team 3, 1, 2, 3. Here is your paper. You're welcome. So, spend the next 10 minutes having a talk. You can go anywhere. To the zoo to see animals, to the bakery to eat food. It's up to your students to decide. So spend the next 10 minutes, and if your students need any help, you can assist them. So we'll see you back in the room for the presentations in around 10 minutes. Bye-bye. You can make it up yourselves. Maybe you will go to the shop to buy cakes. How many cakes? Or fruit. You will eat fruit. How many fruits? Okay. Pat? 2, help Pak Pung. Okay, do it together, not right on the 20 birds. Yesterday. Yesterday, where did you go? Yesterday we. Say yesterday we because it's 3 of you. Okay. 2, Pat, can you help Pak Pung? Because you need to speak. Okay. Lak Gao went to Big C. She buy. B-U-Y. How many? So 100 cupcakes. Lak Gao go to Big C. She buy 100 cupcakes. Okay, so you have one number already. Now you need another 2. And then you can say later she bought 50 E. What would you like to spell? Is. I or eat. E-A-T. Yesterday we went to the. Where did you go? The shop. Shop. Doll shop. Okay. Dolly, like play with doll. S-H-O-P. Later, L-A-T. T-E-R. Later, lá cau. Yesterday I eat apple. E. E. How many?
5.
So if it's more than 1, we add S. So yesterday I eat 5 apples. Okay. And then later.
Cat 5.
Apple, no eat. Now it's fruit. So you can say, yesterday I eat 5 apples. Later I eat 10 bananas. You have to have 3 numbers. So you have 1 already. Later, Nadia. Go to Macro or Big C. Go to buy. Okay. Yesterday we went to the shop. We saw 100 dogs, 50 cats and birds maybe, or fish. Fish, birds, okay. Because we have dog, cat and how many birds?
And me. Apple like this. Apple.
Nearly, it's just the other way round. And if it's more than 1, we add S 59 apples. Very good. B I B I R D S. Because if it's more than 1, we need to add dogs. S S. Okay, so now you had to ask the question, how many animals? Yesterday I eat 5 apples and today I eat 2 bananas. Then 1 more, so 5. And tomorrow I eat 10 pineapples. And then you can ask down, then you ask, how many fruits did I eat? How many? Yes. How many? Almost. A. How many animals did we see? Okay. La Gao go to Big C. She buy 100 cupcakes. She buy 100 cupcakes. Later, Nadia go to buy 59 apples and Prel go to buy what?
B.
N I M
M
A
A
L
L
S
S
เมื่อเช้า Teacher Wes กินกล้วย2 ลูก 2 bananas อร่อย
How many animals
Did we see
does
Did D-I-D Hello and welcome back to the class. We hope your students have had fun preparing their activity. Now we're going to ask our teams to come forward and present their word problem with using addition. So, team number 1, can you come and join Teacher Wes? And don't worry, Teacher Wes will help you to speak. Okay, so in your own time, can you tell the camera your word problem?
Yesterday
We went to the shop. We saw 100 dogs, 50 cats, and 30 birds. How many animals did we see? How many?
180
180, because we have how many dogs?
100
100 dogs. How many cats?
50
50 cats. And how many birds?
30
Excellent. So 100 plus 50 plus 30 equals?
180
Excellent. Can I get a high five off everyone? Great work. Great work. Great work. Round of applause. You can keep that one. And now for team 2. Okay, so try to listen to your friends and see if you can add up. Let Gal go to Big C. She buy 100 cupcakes. Later, Nadia go to buy 59 apples. And Prel go to buy 190 bananas.
How many things
Did we buy? How many things did we buy? So first of all, we have 100 cupcakes, 59 apples, 190 bananas,
equal 349
349 things. Okay? That's great work, guys. Well done. Can I get high five? High five? High 10? High 10, Ned? Very well done. Okay. And who's next? We've had team 1. We've had team 2. Now it's time for team 3. Come on, guys. Come and join us. So listen to our friend's word problem. See if we can guess. Yesterday I eat 5 apples. And today I eat 2 bananas. Tomorrow I eat 10 pineapples. How many fruits did we eat? So how many? First, yesterday, how many did you eat? 5 apples. Today, 2 bananas. And tomorrow, 10 pineapples. So 5 plus 2 plus 10 equals? How many fruits did you eat?
17
Excellent. Very healthy to eat fruits. Very good. High five. High five. High five. Rounds of applause for our friends. Okay, that was very good, guys. So you see, you've all sat down and worked on your own math problem using words and addition. So next, we're just going to have a little stretch sequence. So can you all stand up and push in your chairs? Okay, push in your chairs. So let's go from side to side. Stop. Side to side. Stop. And now we'll go backwards and forwards. Backwards and forwards. Stop. Backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, forward, stop. And now we'll have a little jog on the spot. Keep going for the jog, and just shake ourselves. Loosen ourselves up. Because we've sat down for 20 minutes, so now we want a little exercise. Shake ourselves. Stop. How many claps to finish? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. So now for our final activity. And what we're going to do now is the same as what we did previously. We're going to work on our own math word problem using addition. But this time we're going to ask our students not to work in teams of 3. This time they're going to try to do it themselves, individually. Okay? So, teachers, no worksheet for this lesson. All you need to do is give each student a blank piece of paper and they can work on their own math problem. Same format as last time. Ask your students that in this problem has to have 3 different numbers. And then when they're finished, they can bring it to teacher and teacher can try to work out the problem.
Thank you.
It can be about anything. Food you eat, animals you see.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. And teacher, obviously, because this involves quite a bit of writing, your students will need assistance. So just monitor the room. Anyone needs any help with spelling or words, you be there to help them. Okay? We'll see you back in about 10 minutes. So guys, same as last time. It's okay, that's on the back. It can be about things you buy, fruit you eat, things you see, animals. Sorry? Okay. You can keep this. If you want to, if you can't think, if you really can't think of one, you can use Teacher Wes's, but don't say Teacher Wes, use your name. Go to the zoo and how many elephants did you see? How many zebras did you see? And how many lions? Or if you want, you can change the animals too. Thank you. So if you want to use this one, you can. Yesterday, not Teacher Wes, you talk about yourselves, so use the pronoun I went to the zoo. I saw. Okay, if you need help, just ask. I go to buy. How many?
100.
Okay, so today I go to buy 100 cat. But remember to add the S. If it's more than one, it's plural. So we need to add S. Like cat becomes cats. 1 cat or 2 cats. So if you want, you can use this one. Yesterday.
Go to
O-T-O. Yesterday, Park Boon, go to. Big C, B, I-G. Is it Big C or Little C? Yes, that's the name, Big C. B-I-G, big, and then big letter C. B-I-G, big, and then C. Yes, you know they're building a new Big C near my home in Banzu. It will open next month. Today I buy. What would you like to buy today? How about pencils and pens? Today I buy 10 pencils. Then I buy 50 pens. Then I buy dogs. Okay, today I buy 10 dogs. Remember, if it's more than one, you need to add the S. And if you really can't think of your own, you can use teachers. Just remember to use the personal pronoun I, because you're talking about yourself. Macro, M. A. Okay, I'm coming. K. R. Oh. Macro. Grapes. G. R. A. P. E. And because it's more than one, add S. Grapes. You can copy. How many? Yesterday I went to the zoo. I saw how many? I can't see them. 2,000 elephants. Wow, lots of elephants. And then how many zebras? I go to buy
199 cats and 209 dogs, and I go to Big C. I buy 3,299 pencils.
Pencils. P E N C I L. And then, because it's more than one, add S. Excellent. Fish, F I S H. F I S H. F I S. And then H, S, H. Mango, M, A, N, G, O, O. And then because more than one, excellent, down. Yes. She eats ice cream. Okay. H, E, and then eat E, A, T. Yes. Sorry. Orange, O, R, A, N, G, E, J, U, I, C, E. Yes. Ice cream, I, C, E, C, R, E, A, M. Ice cream. P-E-N. C. Pens, that's okay. So 10 pens, and then pencils, P-E-N, C, C, I, L, S. And 99, N, candy, candy, is that what you want to know? Candy, C, A, N, D, Y. So you can do that. You're doing very well. One more minute, guys. If you haven't finished, don't worry. How many? Y. Things. T-H. Watermelon. Okay. Hello and welcome back to the class. We hope your students have had fun working out their word problems using addition. Teacher, if you can collect all of your student sheets, and then what you can do, you can go through each one and work out the problems. If there's anywhere where the students have gone wrong, you can help them too. So guys, today's lesson, word problems using addition. Word problem, using addition, adding together numbers. Okay, everybody did a great job and very good speaking presentations too. So can we turn to wave goodbye to our friends on camera? Bye bye. See you next time.